The SNM extension identifies a Samsung S Note file containing handwritten notes, drawings, and mixed media from Samsung's S Note application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access, convert, or backup these mobile note files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult SNM files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. SNM Files are note files from Samsung's S Note application on Galaxy smartphones and tablets. They contain handwritten notes, drawings typed text, audio recordings, formula recognition data, and mixed media content, created using the S Pen stylus on Samsung Galaxy Note devices. Samsung SNM Files use a proprietary format, storing vector stroke data from S Pen input, type text layers, image insertions, audio recordings, handwriting recognition results, and page layout information. They support multiple pages, templates, and content layers. For full, accurate reading of SNM data, rely on Samsung S Note by Samsung Electronics. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows may open the document, but complex features like styles or tables need dedicated software. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your SNM file and click Open With. If Samsung S Note is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If the SNM file is still giving you trouble, relax. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, accessing on device. Open Samsung Notes, which has replaced S Note on your Samsung Galaxy device. Samsung Notes can import and display SNM files from the legacy S Note application. Navigate to your note collection and tap the desired memo to view and edit its contents. Next, exporting notes. In Samsung Notes, open the SNM Note and use Share or Export to save as PDF, PNG, or Samsung Notes format. PDF export preserves all visual content, including handwriting and drawings, for cross-platform sharing with any PDF reader. Finally, backing up notes. Use Samsung Cloud or Samsung Smart Switch to back up SNM files with your device data. For manual backup, connect your Samsung device via USB and locate SNM files in the S Note data directory. Copy to your computer for safekeeping and long-term preservation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.